You are able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So, we are discussing about the nested fur. So, the students who have listened on Monday's class can also listen today, only for today. So, from tomorrow onwards, we will start new topic because I did not share the link, right? So what is nested fur? Nested fur. So we know the syntax and semantics of fur. So what is nested fur? So nested fur is like a fur inside and another fur. So one inside and another. See, we have seen the nested if like that. But under same concept, nested fur also. So one inside and another is called as a nested fur. So what is one inside and another? So one fur inside and another fur is called as nested fur. So how it will look like so here, what is the syntax of fur? Initialization, okay, then condition, then incrementation. Same like this is the normal for loop. But what is the nested for loop? Writing one more for inside another for. Initialization, condition, comma, incrementation. Okay, so writing one for inside and another for is called as nested for. The inside for is called as a child for. So this for is called as a child for. The outside for is called as a parent for. Okay, so the for which is written outside is called as a parent for. The for which is written inside is called as a child for. So whenever we are writing for loop, what is the execution of a normal for loop? It is first initialization, like for example int I equal to 1, then I less than 5, then I plus plus. If I write like this and write system.out.println of I, then what is going to be, how it will execute first first step, it will execute. This is the first step, initialization. Then what is the next step? Checking the condition. Then what is the next step? If the condition is true, then it will execute the set of statements. This is the third step. Okay, then once it will print the set of statements, and where it will go? It will go to the incrementation part. It will go to the incrementation part. This is the fourth step. So like this, it will be continue until unless the condition became false. So how, what is the output here? 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Until 4 it will print. Why it will not print 5? Because the condition is false. I plus plus, I became 5, 5 less than 5, the condition is false. So if the condition is false, the for loop, the controller will come out of the for loop. Okay, so what about nested for? How the nested for will be working is like little bit complex but concentrate. Okay, see how it will same like for only. For int I equal to 1, okay, I less than 5, I plus plus. Okay, then what I have said, I told you nested for means writing for inside and another for. So inside the parent for, I am writing one more for int j equal to 1, j less than 5, then j plus plus. So this is the nested for. So what I am doing here, system.out.println of j I am printing, and I am closing my child for, and I am closing my parent for. So this is the process of writing a nested for. So how it will be work? How the nested for will be work? See, for example, if we are having only one for, this is the process of working. First initialization, then condition checking. Once the condition is true, it will execute the set of statements. Then after the set of statements, it will again go to the incrementation part. This is the process. Now, in the nested for, what will be the process? Anyone can explain? What is the process in the nested for? Anybody? The guys who have listened on Monday's class can explain. If you have to tell the wrong answer also, no problem. It is wrong answer also, no problem. Please try to explain. In the nested for, what will be the first statement? What will be the first statement in the nested for?
I.
Ah, first initialization, right?
Yes.
Then
Condition.
once the condition is true,
Uh,
It will execute.
it will execute. Okay. What it will execute? Where it will
The
go?
first the first condition which will execute.
Okay, good, very good. So, see, guys, see what we are discussing here in the normal for loop. First initialization, then condition checking means where it will go. If the condition is true, it will enter into the for loop and it will execute the set of statements. Same here. Even though we are having two for loops also, it does not it will obey its rules. It will follow the same protocol. It will follow the same protocol. See, first it will check the initialization part. First it will check the initialization part. If the condition is true, then where it will go? It will go to the condition. If the condition is true, where it will go? It will enter into the child for loop. It will enter into the child for loop. Okay. First step, initialization. Okay. Then where it will go? It will check the condition. Okay. Of the parent for loop. If the condition is true, then what? Anywhere if you take if else, while, do while, for, whatever control statements you take, if the condition is true, the immediate step is executing the set of statements. But here, instead of writing the set of statements, we have written one more for loop. We have written one more for loop. So here what the controller will do? It will do again checking the initialization part. So here it will check the initialization part into j equal to 1. Okay, into j equal to 1. J less than 5. What's the value of j? 1. 1 less than 5. Condition true or false? True. So this is the fourth step. This is the fourth step. So condition true. Then it will come into the body of that for loop and then it will execute the system.out.println of j. What's the value of j? 1. It will print 1. Then where it will go? It does not go to the incrementation part of I. It will go to the incrementation part of J only, because until unless the child for loop will exit, then only it will go to the incrementation part of parent for loop. So this is the fifth step. Clear, everybody? See, slowly understand. Don't go hurry burry. I am explaining slowly. Please concentrate. See, first it will execute the initialization part of parent for loop. Then it will check the condition. If the condition is true, what we are doing here in normal for loop, we are executing the set of statements. But here, what we are writing instead of set of statements, we have written one more for loop. Okay, so here also you can written set of statements. Don't think like we cannot write set of a statement between this for and this for. Don't think we can write, no problem. But here I have taken one more for loop. That's it. So here what it will do then? Again, the controller see the for loop syntax. So what the controller will do? Then again it will go to the initialization part. What is the initialization part here? So j equal to 1. So this is the third step. Then j less than 5. J, what is the j value? 1. 1 less than 5. Condition true or false? True. Then it will enter
True.
into the set of statements. Now here we have written the set of statements. So it will print the j value. What's the j value? 1. Then where it will go? It will go to the incrementation part of j. What's the value of j? J became 2. 2 less than 5. Condition true or false? Condition true or false? Ah?
True.
True. So true.
True.
Condition true means where it will go? It will go to the set of statements again. So what's the value of j now? 2. Then again where it will go? It will go to the j plus plus. Now j became how much? 3. 3
3.
less than 5. Condition true or false? True. So it will
True.
print j value 3. Again j plus plus. What's the value of j now? 4. 4
4.
4.
less than 5. Condition true. It will print the
True.
set of statements.
Second.
4.
Yeah.
Then again j plus plus. J became 5. 5 less than 5. Condition true or false? False. Now it will come out of the child for loop and then it will go to the implementation part of
Parent.
parent for loop. This is the sixth step. This is the sixth step. Hmm. Now, what's the value of I?
I is equal to
2.
2.
Very good. Excellent. I equal to 2 because previously what's the value of I? 1.
1.
Now I
1.
became plus plus. The what's the value of I? 2. 2 less than 5. Condition true or false?
True.
2.
True. So what it will do when the condition is true? It will enter into the
True.
set of
Second
statements.
for loop.
It will enter into the for loop. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so
Now
what
here
is the
same.
first statement here again? Initialization part. So
Initialize.
whenever it is coming out of the child for loop, what's the value of j? What's the value of j? Whenever it come out of the child for loop, what's the value of j?
5.
5. Now, whenever again it entered into the child for loop, did it carry the same value 5 or it will reinitialize?
Reinitialize.
Why not it will take? Why not it will carry forward the incremented value?
Because it is very newly new statement. It is for that, for the system, it is the new statement again.
Good, very good. See, only one logic. Whenever we come out of the for loop, see, this is the end bracket. Whenever we come out of the for loop and again re-entering into it, then it does not hold the previous value. It will again re-initialize it. So, when it will hold the previous value? Only within the block. See, I equal to 1, I less than 5, I print j value, then j plus plus. Now j became what? 2. So only within the loop until unless it come out of the for loop, at that time only it will forward the incremented value. Once it come out of the for loop and re-enter into it, then it won't carry the incremented value. It will again reinitialize from the beginning. Now what's the value of j? 1. 1 less than
1.
5. True. So it will print the j value again 1. Then j plus plus. J became 2. Then 3. Then 4. Okay. Like that. So whenever j became 5, the condition is false. Then again it will go to the I plus plus. Now what's the value of I?
3.
3.
3. Please remember, we are not out of the parent for. We are still inside the parent for. So that only the incremented value is carry forwarding. Because previously the I value is 2. Now I value is 3. 3 less than 5. Condition true. Again entered into the child for. Now again J became
1.
1. Very good. Now print 1, 2.
2.
Okay.
3. 4.
3 and then 4.
4.
Okay.
4.
Then 5 became 5 less than 5. Condition false. Again go to I plus plus. I became 4. 4 less
4.
than 5. Condition true.
True.
Then again entered into the
1.
child block. J became
Yes.
1. Again it will print 1,
2.
2,
3.
3,
4.
4. Now what's the value of J? 5. 5 less
5.
than 5. Condition true.
Fail.
Fail. Very good. So it will come out of the child for. Then it will go to the parent for. Now what's the value of I? 5.
5.
So 5 less than 5. Now
5.
the condition became false. We are
False.
coming out of the parent for.
Parent for.
So like this, the parent and child communication can be generated in a nested for. Clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, little bit complex. Slowly understand. Don't go in a hurry. Step by step, you understand. So that only I told step by step. Okay. If you do some practices, then you can find out. Okay. So on that day, I have done one program. I think so. Is that one? Yeah. Okay. Nested for right. See. So here, what we are taking directly for I am taking for int I equal to 1, I less than 5, I plus plus. Okay. Then for j equal to 1, j less than 5, j plus plus. Then I am printing system dot j value. Okay. So now see, run it. Run this program, what you will get? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will maximize it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So like that you will get the output. And clear everybody? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now see, after parent for, don't think that we cannot write anything here. No, we can write. Okay. It is not a syntax error. Immediately we should write another for. Don't think like that. You can write. Okay. So for example, if you want to print here the value of I, you can print. See, this is one way of debugging. Debugging means what the value is containing. Like if you want to find out like that. See here I am printing the value of I. Okay. Now see here. Run this program. See here. See. First the value of I is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. When the value of I is 2, again 1, 2, 3, 4. When the value of I is 3, again 1, 2, 3, 4. When the value of I is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So like that you are getting. Clear everybody? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Give me a minute. Clear everybody? Clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So now we will move to and do some programs. See, guys. See, do some programs. So like this, printing one, one, two, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4 5. So like this, some pyramid shape, we have to print the values. So how you will print? Think it out, think it, and then print. So do some programs, for example like this: star, then 2 stars, then 3 stars, then 4 stars, then 5 stars. How it will see, same logic for this and this, the same logic, but instead of here 1 2 3 4, here we are printing stars. That's it. So shall we do like this one program?
Yes, ma'am.
See, you will get this program in a interview as well. Pyramid.
This program name as palindrome, right, ma'am?
No, no, not palindrome. Palindrome is like a, if you take one number, if you reverse that number, same number
Okay, okay.
you have to get. That is called as palindrome.
Palindrome. Okay.
Okay. So this is pyramid shape. Okay, so they will ask different pyramids. This is one type of pyramid. Okay, so what
Okay.
is
Okay.
our business? So we have to print first one, then what we have to print, 1 2, then what we have to print, one two
One.
three, then what we have to print, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Next, so each and every step, what is incrementing? The j value should increment. So
Yes.
1 to 5, this is called as parent for. The remaining values, whatever it was incrementing, that is called as j value. First
Yeah,
time,
yes.
j value should print 1. J value is nothing but a child. Okay.
Child.
If
Yes,
the
yes.
child break, then only we can go to the parent. So
Yes.
second time, the child should print only two values, 1 and 2. After that, if the j became 3, it should break. Then the third one the child will print 1 2 3. If the j became 4, it should break. Like that, think the logic. Okay. See, for first we will take. So this is our output. I am writing the output here. Okay. One. What we have to write for int I equal to, what is the starting position? 1.
One.
1. Okay. 1 less than, what is the greatest value range?
Five. Five.
5. So take
Yes.
5. Okay. Then I plus plus. Always it should increment, right? So I am taking
Ma'am,
I plus
it's
plus.
I greater than or equal to 5, right?
Yeah, good. I greater than or equal to 5. Otherwise, it will stop up until 4. Okay. Now, J. Concentrate on the child for int J equal to 1. Then J have to be break only one time, it should print and then it should break. So what we have to do? J is
Greater than or equal to 1.
less than, okay, J is less than or equal to only one time, right? I. Okay, J plus plus.
Plus plus.
Now system dot
Oh, that println.
out dot println of system dot out dot
J.
println of j value.
J.
Okay, so just we will check. Okay, for, for the first time only we cannot achieve the business. First we will check where we are breaking. We will see. Hmm? See, we are breaking here. The output is coming like 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, okay, we are getting the logic, but it is not printing in our way. So
Other.
what is the drawback here? See, if we are using print ln, means what's the value of print ln? Print and then come to next line. That is the meaning of print ln. Okay, but what we have to get the output? The output should be like this. First print, then go to the next line and print 1 2, then only come to next line. Then print 1 2 3, then only come to next line. Okay, like that. See, so what we have to do, for example, if you want to understand this logic, see here. First I equal to 1. 1 I less than 5. 1 is less than 5. Condition true. So it will enter into the child for loop in the 14th line. Int j equal to 1. Okay, then what we are checking, j less than or equal to I. What's the value of j? 1. 1 less than or equal to, what's the value of I? 1. 1 less than or equal to 1, condition true. So system dot out dot println of j. So what's the value of j? 1. Printed 1. Then where it will go? It will go to the incrementation
J.
part of j plus plus. Now what's the value of j? J
2.
became 2. So it will check the condition. It will check the condition. 2 is less than or equal to 1. Condition true or false? Condition
Fail.
is false.
Fail.
So it will go to the incrementation part of I plus plus. Now what's the value of I? I less than or equal to 5. 2. 2 less than 5. Correct. True. Entered into the child. Again j became 1. 1. 1 less than or equal to, what's the value of 2? 2. So 1 less
2.
than 2. Condition true. It will print the j value 1.
1.
Then again j became j
Increment.
plus plus. Okay, 1 second. Hello? హలో ఆ, లేదు క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను. మ్మ్. లేదు మా క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను. Okay, so j became, now what's the value of j? J already 1. Now j became 2. 2 less than or equal to 2. Condition is true.
True.
So it will print the value as 2. Okay, so already 1 was printed. Already here 1 is printed. 1 is printed. Now in the next line 1, 2 was printed. Okay, so in, but what we are getting here, the output,
In system dot out dot println it is printing.
here we are getting 1 after 1 2. It should come, it should not come 1 after 2. So what we have to do, remove ln, remove
print
ln.
send.
Okay, just remove ln. Okay, and then check, and then check, save it and then check. Okay, save it and then check. So what you are getting now, see, now see the output, now see the
All
output.
are coming in same line.
Everybody is coming in the same line. Okay, step by step you should fix the problem step by step. Don't go in a one time. Okay, step by step. Okay, now it is coming like this. So what we have to do, we have to break it. So where we have to break, after 1, then 1 2 should come. So where we have to write a break statement, you should write 1
J.
after 1 2, after 1 2
J
3. So whenever
J
it is
condition.
coming out of the child and
Yes.
re-entering again, then we should write the break here. So right here, see, it's out of, here write println, that's it. Here write println, next line, next line. Okay, now see, run it. Getting,
Oh,
getting or not?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody understood? I think somebody will not understood, definitely, because little bit complex. Slowly will understand. Don't go in a hurry. If you did not understand, listen this class one more time. Definitely will get understand. Slowly, don't go for nested for first of all. First learn for loop, then practice nested for. Okay. So like this you will get. So if I want to print star, then what you have to do? Don't print J value, print star, that's it. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever you want to print, you can print. If you want question mark, print. Easy?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. First concentrate on logic, then you will get to know. Clear? Okay. So now we are going to discuss like this you practice. So for example, if you want to print like this, what to do? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2. Then 1. What is the logic? Reverse. Reverse.
Reverse.
See. Concentrate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What it was doing? It was
Decrease.
incrementing or decrementing?
Decrease.
Decrementing. So what to do? Where you have to write
Minus.
what is the logic here?
I
I
is
is equal to 5.
5. Very good. Excellent. I equal to 5. Next.
ಮಗಳು
I minus
I
1.
1 has to be.
Greater than or equal to
5
1. Then
One.
I minus
Minus.
good. Now int j equal to what to do?
5.
5.
No, j equal to 5. J equal to 1, right? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yes.
right? J equal to 1 only. J equal to 1. J less than or equal to 5.
5.
Then
Yes. J increment.
J
In I
plus.
place.
Okay, let's see. That's it. Only the parent for we have to increment. Here same only.
Okay.
Okay? Clear everybody? Only the magic is only in the case of declarations and incrementing and decrementing that's it. Okay, there you have to be very concentrate. Mainly the child
dogs open
sorry, see, the main logic is in the child for only. Okay, parent for it is just entering and then doing some and making the child for to be execute. Okay, but main logic is entire logic is in the child for. Okay, understood?
That's fine.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the this one jumping statements. Jumping statements. So we are having two jumping statements. One is break, another one is continue. So we are all know like what is meant by break and what is meant by continue. I think because continue you don't know, but break you know. Where we have seen break
If condition time.
in the switch case. In the
Yes.
switch case, we have seen the break statement. Okay, what is break statement? Why we have used that one? If you did not use the break in the switch case, what it was happening?
It's continuously printing.
It is continuously printing. So, for example, if you want to, you are going in a bike. If you put a brake, what will you what happen?
Stop.
We will stop, right? Same in our program. If you are if the program is executing continuously, if you want to stop it, then we can go with the break statement. Okay, then we can go with the break statement. So what is the syntax of break? What is the syntax of break? Just break, that's it. We have seen in the switch case, right? Just writing the break, that's it. Okay, so we will see a program. Okay, For example, for int I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So I want to come out of the loop. Suddenly I want to come out of the loop whenever the I value is 5. Then what you have to write? If I equal to 5, then come out of it. How to write to come out of it? Just break. You write break, then it will come out of it. Okay. See, without break, I will print it. Without break, I will print it. See, system dot out.println of I. What it will print? It will print the values from 0 to 10. It will print, right? 0 to 9 because I less than 10. If for example, whenever I equal to 5, then break it. Okay. Then what is the output? Then what is the output? See here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why remaining 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 did not come?
We are using break statement.
We are using break. Here, we are writing the. Here we are writing the. We have to make. We have to format the program. Right click and then click on format. Okay. Formatting means neat, beautifully. It will format. Okay. The indentation, tab, everything. How to get formatter? And control A, right click on it, go to source, and here you're having format is there. Click on it. So your program will be formatted. Okay. Here, what is the logic we have written? Whenever I equal to 5, then break it. Don't print after that value. That is the business here. So, whenever I equal to 5, so the condition is true. So, it was breaked. And then that even though the for loop condition still it is not false. Still I plus plus 5 is less than 10, true only. Then there is a chance of incrementing also, but still we have written the break statement. So what it was doing? It was coming out of the loop abnormal, terminating. It was terminating. That's it. Understood? Everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Got it, ma'am.
Yes. That's what I'm saying is there is a chance of incrementing until I became 9, it will increment. But due to the break statement, whenever the I value became 5, it is coming out of it. It was terminating. It was terminating. Okay. Then what is that is about break. Then we are talking about continue. What is meant by continue? Continue means it is similar to break, but it is quite contradict. For example, uh, if you give one condition, in that condition only it will stop. After that, it will continue. It is like one iteration it will stop for a specified condition. For example, I equal to 5. In that condition, it will stop. Whenever I became 5, it will stop. After that, it will continue. Clear? See, one, for example, we have written the same program like this. For example, I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. If I equal to 5, instead of break, if I write continue, what it will do? In this specific condition only, it will stop. After that, it will continue. Whenever I became 5, at that time it will stop. After that, I became 6, 7, 8, 9, it will continue. Clear?
Please
Not
run the
clear?
program.
Not, see, for example, I equal to 1, 1 less than 10, true. Okay, it will print 0. 0 less than 10, true. It will print. I plus plus, I became 1. 1 less than 10, true. It will print. I became 2. 2 less than 10, print. 3, true, print. 4, print. 5, 5 less than 10, condition true. It will come to the if block. If 5
5.
equal to 5, then what we are writing, we are writing continue. Continue, what it will do, whatever the
In 5.
specific condition you have taken, in that condition it will stop, then it will continue. So what it won't print, it won't print
5.
5. Very good, excellent. It won't print 5, then it will continue. Okay, see the output. See the output. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The specific condition is whenever I equal to 5, continue we have written. So whenever the ith iteration, fifth iteration, it will stop that condition, and then from there it will continue. So fifth one it won't print. 6, 7, 8, 9 it will print. Like that, the continuous statements will be executed. Clear? Everybody?
Okay.
Clear?
Ma'am, why have you written I is equal to 5?
Whenever we are checking any value in a if condition, whether it is equal to 5 like that, either we have to use dot equals method or double equal to method. If you are using only single equal to, it is like a literal. It is like a literal. Only single equal to is used to initialize any value, like int I equal to 0, like that. If you are using in the condition the literal, then you will get a compile time error like this. See, type mismatch, cannot convert from int into boolean, like that you will get. See, u equal to means literal. Okay, this is one symbol. This can be used only whenever you are initializing any value. For example, int a equal to 10, like that. Whenever you are initializing a value to a field, then only we can use the single equal to. But whenever you are checking whether the value is equal to 5 or whether the value is equal to javana, like that, if you want to check, then we can use only double equal to, or we can use dot equals method. But dot equals like this, see, dot equals, not equals, but here it was not coming because I is integer. Because I is integer, dot equals method will come only for strings. It will come. If you want to check any integer, we can use double equal to. Clear up?
Got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so clear everybody? Okay. In the tomorrow's class, we are going to discuss about the methods. Okay, methods and the classes and objects, like object-oriented concepts. We will start polymorphism. First, we will start polymorphism. Then slowly we will understand the abstraction, classes, interfaces, encapsulation. Encapsulation will come tomorrow only. Like that is the, in every class you will get to know the object oriented concepts. Then we will discuss about the static classes, static methods, static variables and static blocks. Then why public static void main. Did I explain about the JVM?
Yes, ma'am. Java Virtual Machine.
No, about the memory management and everything I have explained. JVM memory
No.
management.
No,
No,
no.
right?
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay,
No.
okay. So that also is there. So in the upcoming classes, I will speed up. Actually, okay. I joined in a new company, so I was with the timings was mismatching the meetings, that and all. So once everything was this week, it is going to be set up. Then from next week onwards, we have some fixed timings. Okay.
Okay.
Shall I take
Okay.
the morning classes? Is it okay? Morning sessions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, right, everybody?
More you can take, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
From 10 to 11 or 9:30 to 10:30, is it okay?
10 to 11 will be good, ma'am.
Yeah, so yeah, I will plan accordingly, but I will intimate you before one day. Okay.
Okay, include.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you guys. Please listen the nested for one more time and then practice it.